So, how to reset Instagram Explore page. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to reset Instagram Explore page. First thing, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks on your phone. Go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it after a few seconds. And then you have to open your Instagram and go to the explore page, and then you have to go into the posts that you like and make sure to watch them a few seconds and put a like on them, and then make sure to continue, put a like on the posts that you like. For example, this one here, I'm gonna put a like. This one, I like food. And if you don't like a post that you don't want to get in your explore page, you have to go into it. For example, this one right here, keep clicking on it, go into those three options and click on not interested right here. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.